Hello, origami enthusiasts. Today, we're going to add a festive touch to our creations by making a cat and dog victory sign from a simple dollar bill. This delightful decoration is perfect for Christmas or any occasion. Grab a crisp dollar bill, the canvas for our festive origami masterpiece. Valley, fold the bill in half vertically. Then unfold. Bring the lower edge of the bill up to meet the center line, creating a neat valley fold. This ensures symmetry in our design. Give the bill a 90-degree turn to prepare for the next set of folds. Cross-fold the upper edge diagonally, creating a triangular shape. Open the folded sections. Mirror this fold on the opposite side for balance. Transform the triangles into playful squash folds, pressing along the creases for precision. Flip the bill 180 degrees and go through the same folding sequence. This ensures our origami creation is symmetrical from every angle. Unfold the bill, then valley fold it in half vertically, aligning the existing crease in the center. Perform a squash fold along the central crease, giving our origami a distinct three-dimensional look. Press firmly for a secure fold. Fold the tip to create dog ears on one side. For the cat head, mount and fold the tip down. And valley fold up. Adjust as needed to perfect the shapes. Refine your origami by folding the edges towards the center, adding character to our cat and dog friends. Don't hesitate to make small adjustments for the best appearance. Valley fold the model in half vertically. And then unfold. Create dynamic folds by cross valley folding two tips. You've crafted a delightful cat and dog victory sign, perfect for spreading joy during the festive season. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative origami adventures. Until next time, happy folding and happy holidays!